she doesn't want to say that I believe that you might cast an eye on him. Don't come too close. Don't jag. He'll wake up. He wakes up very quickly. Don't come. And she's just slowly swinging the cradle, the mother, and the child is smiling away. She says, tell me one thing, I can't understand. My child, कहती मैया, हे ब्रजबाला, लाड तो मेरा काला काला. Tell me one thing, my baby is so dark, he's not very handsome. लागे है नजरिया. Even then, you know, if anybody looks at him, the most precious moment of our lives. And we love him so much. Please don't stop us from seeing him just once. Let us see him. इंसान भुलाता है. The whole concept, even if it was not historical, the mere concept of a little child with his little ways, he comes down as a little, he said, I believe it ought to be true, but one can't force others to believe. Even if it is imagination, what a beautiful imagination. Such love, such an outburst, a play of absolute love for the gopis he had. And the gopis had for him the most perfect love. There are three kinds of love. First is the ordinary love. I love you. You must do what makes me happy. Then I am very happy with you. Because I love you, you must do what I want you to do. The second love is, I love you. I should be happy, you should be happy. Both of us should be happy. You should do what we both want. But the gopis' love is, Tat Sukhit Sukhitam. In your happiness is my happiness. Whatever makes you happy is my fulfillment. That was the gopi love. In the end, Sri Krishna said to them, I do not know how to reward your love. Even if I am born as to Hanumanji, Ram says, even if I am born many times, I shall never be able to repay this debt. Let your love be its own reward. Love is its own reward. It is loving that gives you joy, not giving love. Many, many years ago in 1949 February, before going up to meditate at night, I would go to Dadaji Pranam at his feet and he would be writing and he blessed me, I'd go away. Then he used to place his hand sometimes on my head. One day I went, I stood there for a long time. He looked up twice, but he kept on writing, didn't take any notice. I went up and I couldn't meditate. I said, because he has not blessed me, so I can't meditate. So after that, again, second day I stood there. Then third day in the morning, I said, what is wrong with you? I said, Dadaji, I can't meditate because you have not blessed me. He said, of course I blessed you. I said, but not with your hand on my head. He said, it's not the blessings that will give you joy. It's the act of pranaming that will bring you fulfillment. Not the act of today I put my hands, you love it, tomorrow you say you must embrace me, third day you must say that you must fan me since I'm meditating on you. That will never end. Give everything, expect nothing.